Quick tip time. Did you know that you can actually block out the entire screen of your presentation in Google Slides? Now, the reason you might want to do so is, let's say, for example, we're presenting and we get a lot of questions from our users and maybe the conversation gets a bit sidetracked. To keep the focus away from the slide itself and on the conversation that's happening at hand, you can actually use two shortcuts here on your keyboard to blank out your entire screen. Looking at my screen here, I have my presentation. We're getting some questions. The conversation is shifting a bit. I can do two keyboard clicks here. First, I can click on the W, and that'll blank out my entire screen with a nice white background here. And then once we're back on track and ready to keep moving on our presentation, we just click on W again, and the screen will reappear. Pretty streamlined. It's going to be W for white, and then our other keyboard key here is going to be B for black. And if I click on B, now my entire screen is blacked out. And then once the conversation is back and we're ready to proceed with the presentation, you can click on B. That's a very helpful tool in case for those times where you're having a Q&A session, or maybe you're on a quick break and you don't want anyone to look ahead in your presentation. Go ahead and either use the B or the W to black out your screen.